Yes, very good afternoon, dear students. Students, today we will start our chapter number 7 of social science, that is Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Yes, before start reading, let's discuss few new terms of this chapter. First one is sand dune. Sand dune is a low hill of sand which can move with strong winds. सैंड ड्यून इज अ लो हिल, छोटी सी हिल होती है सैंड की, पहाड़ी, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स चलने से, हवाएं चलने से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर मूव कर जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज ओएसिस, अ प्लेस इन द डेजर्ट वेयर द अंडरग्राउंड वाटर रीचेस द सरफेस. नेक्स्ट नोमैड्स. Nomads are the people who move from one place to another with their cattle. And last one is wadi, a temporary river valley which is formed after the rains in the desert. This is a temporary valley which is formed after the rain in the desert area. Yes, let's start reading of this chapter. The hot and dry regions means areas where the average annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeters are called hot deserts. The hot and dry areas where the annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeters means very less rain. Okay, those areas which receive very less rain are called hot deserts. The hot deserts are shown in the map on the next page. Let me show you. These are the hot deserts. This is California, Atacama, Patagonia, Kalahari, Sahara, Arabian, and Thar. One more desert is there. This is Australia. Okay. Yes, the Sahara Desert in the northern part of Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert, and it is in the northern part of Africa. The Arabian Peninsula is on the western side of Asia is also a hot and dry desert. Let me again show you the Arabian Peninsula. This is in the shape of peninsula. Arabian. This is Arabian Peninsula, and we have talked about Sahara Desert. Okay. This is in Africa. Now location and extent. Location of Saudi Arabia. Where it is located. The Arabian Peninsula is surrounded by the Red Sea on the west, the Gulf of Aden and the Arabian Sea on the south, and Persian Gulf on the east. Again, look at the map. This is the map of Saudi Arabia. Here, this is Red Sea. Gulf of Aden is here. Then Arabian Sea and Persian Gulf. Saudi Arabia is surrounded by Arabian Peninsula we are talking. It is surrounded by Red Sea on the west, Gulf of Aden and Arabian Sea on the south, and the Persian Gulf on the east. Saudi Arabia is the largest and important country in the Arabian Peninsula. Saudi Arabia, it is the largest and very important country in Arabian Peninsula, which I have shown you on the map. Saudi Arabia is surrounded by Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait in the north, Qatar, Oman, and United Arab Emirates, in short UAE, in the east, Yemen in the south, and Red Sea in the west. Yes, look at the map. Yes, dear students, this is Iraq, Kuwait, UAE, and this is again Red Sea. Okay. Yes, the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia, which is an imaginary line. Tropic of Cancer. It passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia. And Riyadh is the capital city. Which is the capital city of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Next, physical features. A major part, maximum part of Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau and it is covered by loose sand. रेत बिखरी हुई है वहां पर. This vast, dry, sandy desert is called Nafud in the north and Rubal Khali in the south. ये जो vast, dry, sandy desert है, इसे north direction में बोलते हैं Nafud and Rubal Khali in the south direction. The mountains are along the western side of Saudi Arabia. Where the mountains are? They are in the western side of Saudi Arabia. In the hot and dry desert region, there are many low hills of loose sands. This is a desert and it is very much obvious that we can find hills of loose sands here. These are called sand dunes. These low hills are called sand dunes and the strong wind can shift these sand dunes from one place to another. Strong winds, tej hawai. They can shift the sand dunes, that means the low hills of sand, from one place to another place. There are no permanent streams or lake in Saudi Arabia. वहां कोई लेक नहीं है, परमानेंट स्ट्रीम्स, छोटी छोटी नदियां नहीं है. A few wadis or temporary streams, they can be formed after the rain. Okay. Now the climatic conditions. Weather का कैसा है वहां का? The climate of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry almost throughout the rain. Because of less rain, the climate of Saudi Arabia is very hot and it remains dry almost throughout the year. During the summer season, that means from May to September, the days are very hot and the nights are somewhat cool. During the daytime, the sun shines brightly. डे टाइम में सन बहुत ब्राइट होता है, बहुत गर्मी होती है एंड द टेम्परेचर कैन बी मोर देन 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस इज अबाउट summer season and now during the winter season, that means from October to April, the days are warm and the nights are very cold. During winter season, the nights are very cold. Strong winds blow almost throughout the year and dust storms are common. डेजर्ट्स में जो डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स हैं वो बहुत कॉमन होते हैं. जरा सी हवा चलती है तो सैंड साथ उड़ती है, रेत साथ उड़ती है, जिसे बोलते हैं डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स. देयर इज हार्डली एनी रेन, मींस नो रेन. द कोस्टल एरियाज, द एरियाज नियर द water bodies, they have mild climate, that means neither very hot nor very cold. And Abha, a hill station in southwest of Saudi Arabia, is cool in the summer season. Only hill station Abha, it is very cool in summer season. The climate of Abha is cool. Now vegetation and wildlife. किस तरह की वहां पर वेजिटेशन क्रॉप्स होती हैं एंड किस तरह के एनिमल्स वहां पर रहते हैं इन सऊदी अरेबिया. Only those plants which can survive in hot and dry weather are found in some parts of Saudi Arabia because the climate remains hot and dry throughout the year. That's why only those plants which can survive in hot and dry weather, इस तरह के weather में जो survive कर सकते हैं, वही plants सऊदी अरेबिया में होते हैं. And these plants have long roots and thorns. इनके कांटे भी बड़े बड़े होते हैं and roots, जड़ भी बहुत गहरी होती है. The long roots can go deep into the earth and in search of water. And the stems and roots are soft and fleshy. They can store water. उनकी जो stem part होता है plants का, उसमें वो water को store कर लेते हैं. Cacti are common plants whose leaves are reduced to thorns. Which type of plants we can find in the desert area? Cacti, cactus. Okay. Thus there is less loss of water through evaporation. क्योंकि इसका stem part है जो बहुत fleshy होता है, वो अपने अंदर water absorb कर लेता है, इसलिए evaporation की वजह से water का loss बहुत कम होता है. Only those animals which can survive the shortage of water and food are found in the hot and dry deserts. Only those animals which can live without water and food for many days, only those animals can live in these areas. For example, the camel. The camel, known as the sheep of the desert, can live without food and water for many days. I think all of you know about the camel, that it can live without water and food for many days, near about 1 week. The camels can store water in their stomach, where they can store water in their stomach, and food in their humps. They can move swiftly. Swiftly means very fast. Across the desert due to their wide padded feet. Padded means गद्देदार feet. उनके feet जो होते हैं वो soft होते हैं. They can move swiftly across the desert due to their wide padded feet. Many types of insects, spiders, reptiles, birds and mammals are found here. Many types of insects, कीड़े मकोड़े, spiders, मकड़ी को बोलते हैं, reptiles, like tortoise, snakes, crocodile, turtle, these all are the examples of reptiles. Different types of birds and mammals. What are mammals? Mammals give birth to their babies instead of laying eggs. Okay, mostly जो birds हैं, animals हैं, वो egg lay करते हैं, लेकिन कुछ animals ऐसे होते हैं जो baby को born करते हैं. ठीक है, उन्हें mammals बोलते हैं, like cat, dog. The Arabian horses are famous for their faithfulness. इस एरिया में जो horses मिलते हैं, Arabian horses, they are famous for their faithfulness. उन पे विश्वास किया जा सकता है. Like हम क्या बोलते हैं, dog is a faithful animal. But in Saudi Arabia, Arabian horses are very famous for their faithfulness. Okay. Next, checkpoint. These fill-ups we will discuss later on with the back exercise. Okay. Now, economic activities. कौन सी activities वो करते हैं earning के लिए, पैसे कमाने के लिए. उनका business क्या है, occupation क्या है. Okay. There are limited economic activities in the sparsely populated. Sparsely means very less population. Okay. Thick means बहुत ज़्यादा population. Thickly populated means, and sparsely means very less. There are limited economic activities in the sparsely populated Saudi Arabia. At some places, the underground water comes to the surface through a spring. कुछ areas में underground water अपने आप ground के ऊपर surface पे आ जाता है. These places are called oases. Small village develop around oases and farming can be done due to the fertile soil. Fertile means उपजाऊ. Small villages are developed near these houses, and people can do farming due to the fertile soil and availability of water from oases. And the main crops grown near the oases are date palms. Date palms खजूर के पेड़ को बोलते हैं. Wheat and barley. Barley बोलते हैं जौ को. Some parts of Saudi Arabia are suitable for growing crops but water is not available. Although some parts are very fertile, they are very good, their soil is very good, but water is not available there. Some fresh water is made available for irrigation and domestic use by desalting the seawater. What is desalting? Desalting means removing salt from the water. Okay, वाटर में से सॉल्ट को रिमूव कर देना, हटा देना, वो डीसॉल्ट करके वाटर को पीने के लिए, घर में डोमेस्टिक यूज के लिए और इरिगेशन के लिए यूज में लाते हैं वहां. एंड द मेन क्रॉप्स ग्रोन आर wheat, barley, dates, vegetable, and alfalfa. Next, Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producers and exporter of mineral oil in the world. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest, बड़े बड़े जो producers हैं mineral oil के, उनमें से सऊदी अरेबिया भी एक है. एंड एक्सपोर्टर, वो अब सऊदी अरेबिया से दूसरी कंट्रीज को एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, भेजते हैं. इंपोर्ट मीन्स मंगवाना, एक्सपोर्ट मीन्स उन्हें भेजना. The discovery of mineral oil or petroleum has changed the life of people in Saudi Arabia. Because of the discovery of petroleum in Saudi Arabia, life of people is changed now. With the income from the sale of petroleum, the government is developing industries and means of transport and communication. जो उन्हें इनकम होती है गवर्नमेंट को, क्योंकि वो पेट्रोल को जो है एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, दूसरी कंट्रीज को भेजते हैं, और जो उससे इनकम होती है, द गवर्नमेंट इज डेवलपिंग इंडस्ट्रीज विद द इनकम फ्रॉम द सेल ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज लगा रही है अब गवर्नमेंट, और मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट डेवलप हो रहे हैं, कम्युनिकेशन डेवलप हो रहे हैं वहां पर. चेंज नाउ द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ पीपल is fast changing in Saudi, living in towns and cities. Now the lifestyle of people is changed, and most of the people are now they live in towns and cities also. Earlier they lived near the oasis, but now they live in the they are living in the towns and cities. Their standard of living is fast improving. बहुत जल्दी से change हो रहा है उनका standard. The cities have all the modern facilities. Which facilities? Now they have schools, colleges, hospitals, hotels, markets, roads, and industries also. Riyadh is the largest city, and Jeddah is the main commercial city and busy seaport. Which is the largest city of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh, which is its capital city also, and Jeddah is the main commercial city, जहां पर business बहुत ज्यादा होता है, and busy seaport also. Some people still live in villages, but some of the people still means अब भी they are living in villages and enjoy the traditional, बहुत पुराना lifestyle वो follow कर रहे हैं. Most of the villagers are nomads. They are Bedouins. They travel from one place to another in search of water, food, and shelter. Shelter means रहने की जगह. For their animals. Of camels called Karwan. This is the picture of camels. Okay. The camels give them milk, meat, hair, and skin. They get milk, meat, hair, and skin from camels. Nowadays, many of them use jeeps and cars for moving in the desert. Earlier, they used only camels, but nowadays, they use jeeps and cars also. The traditional dress of people in Saudi Arabia is a long cloak worn over a smock. You can see the traditional dress of people living in Saudi Arabia. This is their traditional dress. बहुत पहले वो इस तरह के ड्रेसेस ही पहना करते थे. अभी भी मैक्सिमम लोग यही ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस को फॉलो करते हैं. पीपल ऑल्सो वियर वेस्टर्न ड्रेसेस इन द सिटीज. सिटी में रहने वाले लोग दे ऑल्सो वियर वेस्टर्न ड्रेसेस लाइक पैंट शर्ट. ओके. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर मुस्लिम्स एंड Arabic is their national language. Which is the national language of this country? Makkah and Medina are two most important pilgrim centers of Muslims. मक्का और जो मदीना है, these are the two holy places. Pilgrim centers जहाँ यात्री जाते हैं, जो तीर्थ यात्रा करने के लिए जाते हैं, मुस्लिम्स लोग. Muslims from all over the world visit these holy places at least once in their lifetime. पूरे वर्ल्ड में जितने भी मुस्लिम्स हैं, मुस्लिम भी प्लेस मानते हैं, रिलीजियस प्लेस है ये उनके लिए, एंड दे एट लीस्ट वंस दे विजिट दैट प्लेस इन देयर लाइफ टाइम. अपनी पूरी लाइफ में एक बार वो इस प्लेस को जरूर विजिट करना चाहते हैं. एंड अल आर्धा which is a sword dance. Sword means तलवारों से जो डांस होता है, using swords. Al-Adha is the national dance of Saudi Arabia. The national language is Arabic, and Al-Adha is the national dance. And the two pilgrim centers are Makkah and Medina. Yes, dear students, that's all about this chapter, chapter number 7. Now we are going to unmute all of you. Preeta ma'am, please unmute all the students.